A curfew-like situation prevails in occupied Kashmir as troops have unleashed a reign of terror and harassment ahead of India's so-called Republic Day celebrations on Thursday. Phenomenon of frisking and random searches by the troops can be witnessed right from the Kashmir Valley to far-off areas of Jammu region amid heavy deployment of the troops, while security checkpoints have been set up at all the entry and exit points in the territory. All roads leading to Cricket Stadium in Srinagar and Maulana Azad Stadium in Jammu, the main venue of the Republic Day celebrations, are sealed with barricades. The two venues are under constant surveillance, while CCTVs have been installed to keep a close watch on the movement of people. Every year, the people of the occupied territory observe complete shutdown on January 26 to mark India's Republic Day as a Black Day. All parties Hurriyat Conference leadership, while reiterating the call for observance Indian Republic Day as Black Day on January 26, appealed to the Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and abroad to take rallies and protest demonstrations on Thursday. APHC leaders Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, Ghulam Muhammad Khan Supori, Zamrudda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji, Dr. Museb and Abdul Samad Inqalabi in their statements in Srinagar paid glowing tributes to the martyrs of Handwara and Kupwara on the eve of their massacre anniversaries. The leaders said India's freedom history has only one Jallianwala Bagh massacre, while the history of Kashmir freedom movement is replete with relatively much bigger massacres. They asked the people to observe strike on January 25th and 27 in Kupwara and Handwara on the martyrdom anniversary of the two massacres. Posters appeared in the Kashmir Valley appealing people to observe Black Day and complete shutdown on Thursday. The posters have been installed on walls, poles and prominent places in Srinagar, Budgam, Ganderbal, Pulwama, Islamabad, Shopian, Kulgam, Baramulla, Bandipur and other areas of the Kashmir Valley and parts of the Jammu region. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh, talking to media persons at Samba in Jammu, said that the abrogation of Article 370 of the Indian Constitution is a serious issue. He also lamented continued suspension of democratic activities in the occupied territory. He said that the Bharatiya Janata Party has imposed an undeclared emergency in India and occupied Kashmir.